You seen it? Page be on page. You shouldn't have had that bitch on right now.
Walk down on who? You ain't walk down on shit. Why you dissing in them songs like your bitch ain't just get hit? You was clutching on that pole, but you got smacked with your shit, but you a bitch. You smoking on your bro right out the zip. If we hear that walkie flow, you know that car is getting flipped. Don't do no drive-bys. Bitch, we walking down and doing hits. We come from both sides. Hollows out the Glock at Boxy, man. And you dicky and your boyfriend, why he lying?
What's good, folks? Back with another video. We might look like some crash outs right now, bro. But we got something. Let's start for y'all folks. So just stay tapped in. Stay tapped in. You feel me? It's gonna be a movie. You heard? It's gonna be a movie. And Wawa. Oh, yeah. We got Wawa. What the fuck about one? You see that pancake game? That shit bust on my dead homie, that shit. Come on. You know what? You don't never, every time he comes up, you think he gotta steal something, bro. You can stop acting ghetto for one fucking time. Bro. Get some, bro. Cause we keep moving. Shit. What you want, bro? What you looking to get? What you looking to get? Folks, I'm getting something that's about to give me some energy. Yeah, right? Like, Red Bull. I was just playing, I don't need no sugar. I'm be doing backflips off the wall.
Yeah, you don't need none of that, bro. You might as well just get a Gatorade.
Gatorade?
Yeah.
Nah, I don't even like Gatorade. I'm not in the mood for Gatorade right now. You know what I'm in the mood for?
What?
I know everybody do this in Wawa though. Y'all be procrastinating. Especially when you fry. I need some Sprite though. Just comments, civil and collect.
Right. Okay.
What the fuck? This nigga drives ginger ale for any reason. He's not even sick, bro.
Bro, what you got? What you got, bro? Let me see.
It's in the bag. It's in the bag.
Nah.
Yo. Yo, he got me, bro. He's dead, bro. Yo.
Come on.
There you go.
We're not doing it.
Dying tonight, chat.
Done.
We're dying tonight, chat.
Bro, I'm getting the fuck back. I'm getting more. What? Nigga said I'm
Everybody's
getting
ready
back.
for this.
I'm telling you. Who touching it, fool?
Yeah, the car.
Who touching it? I'm good, fool. New Balances, yup. I got the Balances on, fool. On them graves, buddy. We out here in the fucking middle of look. No. You
It's
can't.
not, this is not as light as this. Alright, you feel me?
We outside at the white people.
Because if I do this, then you mean?
Folks, turn that shit on. You took it?
I got one.
Let's see if I got one, fool. Here we go, fool. Oh shit. I'm bogus, fool. Hold up.
What's up, bro?
Yo,
Listen.
your mask is comp, bro. I fuck with your mask.
Listen, look.
That shit's tough, bro.
Look.
It looks tough.
I'm getting bony, nigga.
I'm running too.
Once I
Wait,
see-
where's the fucking board? Bro, where's the board, gang?
Y'all niggas really
The board,
wanna do this,
nigga.
bro.
I don't know, cause y'all in the back.
You're not doing the board?
Got it.
Yeah, bitchin'? Let's close
We
them
gonna
out.
get y'all. We gonna come back to y'all when something crazy happen, or when we get there, or when we need to talk to y'all, or. These niggas, look at these niggas, and look at us.
Listen.
Bro,
Look, listen.
these niggas got us in a scary movie, bro. You know,
Look over there.
black people get caught last.
Nah, nigga, we.
That's all I'm saying.
Last.
Last, motherfucker. I'm running from
Bro,
anything.
listen.
I
I don't know
give a
about
fuck.
y'all, but I'm out.
Listen, bro.
I don't know who got the fastest feet here, but I know my boy got some fast feet.
I'm telling you, I got fast feet. Yo, you seen it for yourself, bro. Y'all seen it when I. Oh, we wasn't vlogging when we raced both for the dub.
This is all. Listen, this is all I'm gonna say though. When shit gets to the left or hits the fan, when y'all running, pick y'all feet up.
All right.
Pick y'all feet up.
I'm having a flashlight on like this.
Yeah, me too.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Y'all see that shit?
Dude, turn the lights off. Car. All right.
This is truck.
I mean, they'll call the cops.
Can't see, it's dark.
We're gonna die, bro.
Why are you saying that, bro?
Bro, because we doing some white ass shit tonight, bro. The most whitest shit you could ever think of, bro. Who the fuck goes into an abandoned city? Like, bro, what? Turn the light off, bro.
I don't know what their problem was, bro. They was getting me tight. They just kept fucking getting in the way of the camera, telling me turn the shit off, turn this off, turn the light off. Like, nah, nigga, fuck out of here. But over time, we just stopped listening to them niggas and we just started, playing it safe.
I'm rolling. This is what we came here for.
Listen, we giving y'all all the fucking content we can get. So make sure y'all niggas drop a like and slip. Hit that fucking nose. That nose.
That like
notification.
Notification.
Damn. I can't get the fucking. Yo. Is that what y'all heard last time? Yeah, it's a fire. That's a plane, nigga.
It's a plane.
Turn your lights off though and everybody be quiet for him.
What's his nail right here? You see this nail? What's that nail? You gonna have to take the phone when you go up there?
Bro, watch our backs, bro.
I am.
Niggas don't like to walk their backs.
Can I take this? Do that.
You see how all the windows are broken, bro? Me and my friends broke all these windows.
Bro, I remember that. He named Marcus Savard, bro. Bro, I fucking broke some of these ones too. Me and Gil threw a bunch of fucking dust.
No, where's my big metal pole? I had a big ass metal pole that was just stabbing all the window frames.
Is this the roll?
Oh, my eardrums just popped.
Where we found all this money in this bitch?
This shit low key crazy, y'all.
Y'all see this shit? We should have definitely brought that fucking weed burn into it. Yeah, because you heard that shit. That was a fucking ghost, nigga. What the hell? Bro, you didn't hear that, nigga. Bro, it was a man's fucking voice talking, bro. I swear to God. You didn't hear? I was just bitching. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Any peanut. He said kill
That's
me
where we
in
got
the
out
room.
at, bro. When we get in. I wouldn't come this way the first time. I'm recording, bro.
I'm recording.
You were recording back there, man.
Uh-huh.
When we thought we heard somebody?
Uh-huh.
Alright, bet. You probably caught that bitch on your fucking video, bro.
Yeah.
Whole table? Hey, be careful right here. That shit can fall. Yo.
still at the water tower? Rolling up at the water tower? At the water tower? Well, that's the water tower, bro.
Heard something move over there? I heard something move over there. Look at that hole.
Yo, let's go though. Let's go. Let's go on that one or whatever. Where the church is? The church is all the way down. That's what I'm saying.
How you feeling, brother, man?
I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling.
Chilling?
We out here. We still alive, so that's all that matters. Bro, babe. What the fuck, shorty? Yeah.
Come on.
Chat, y'all.
Look, you can hear
Chat, y'all
that.
hear that?
Why is there a dick on the tree?
You always worry about the wrong things. Oh, y'all could see. Look at those steps.
Yo, that way collapsed.
I don't see no way in.
Usually, as soon as I drop down, 10-foot drop.
Oh no.
To get in here? Yeah. I'm not doing it.
10-foot drop.
Right here, nigga. Oh, they did break this bitch open.
Right there.
Oh, look at the pentagram. This is where we did the fucking drawing.
Look at the top drawing.
I'm telling.
Bro, don't step on that, bro. There's like 50 fucking people over here.
You see that circle with the shit too?
Come on. Good.
I'm nervous.
I was just trying to make sure, like, I wasn't tweaking about it, bro. I thought I heard something fall from behind us.
No cap.
You think they had money in that bitch over there, bro? For guns? What you think? What you think? Guns or drugs?
You hear that?
Shit, maybe we could just hear some shit.
Yeah, turn the lights on. Turn. Everybody turn the lights off in the system. Bro, I gotta take this ski off. I'm hot.
If
On
you
that
hear,
side.
let me hear some.
Yo, put your ski on. Come on.
We gotta have the flashlights off because it goes to Ventures, they be having the flashlights off. Listen, y'all ain't gonna hear us because we ain't got no fucking night vision. Maybe this will work though.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We don't need all that flash. Look. Bro, where did they die at? Let's go over there. Let's go to the...
Hear me?
How you feeling so far?
You know, we here, so it's like fucking, man. I'm a little scared because, like, bro, we in a fucking church, bro. Fuck this. This shit was born in, like, all the way back then, bro. Fuck that. This shit definitely haunted, bro. Definitely haunted.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
I'm feeling like we need to go fuck with his old ass. That's what I'm saying. It's gonna be fun, bro. So you start blowing that bitch. I'm like, oh shit. He's ducking and rolling. Like you seen the movie Friday when the old head came through with the shot.
You tell son of a bitch, y'all know y'all fucking with him. I'm one of the coldest niggas in the city. Get out my collard greens, my mustard greens, and my climate greens.
He's seen it, bro. He on foot.
Bro, he's seen it.
Get over. We just ripped that ass, turned the lights off, and started screaming at them. He's probably shitting bricks just like we are. I'm not shitting bricks, gang. I'm ready to run.
Buck!
He's fried. He got the Timbs on, bro. You're running in the bush. Damn, shit.
If we see him, I'm gonna scare him.
Easiest way to get out right there.
No,
On that way. No, let's go to the water tower, folks. We should have been there the whole time, bro.
That shit deep as fuck.
All right, let's at least, we can at least not go there all the way. Let's go over that way, though. Like, bro, it's my first time. We not finna. No, hell no.
Nigga, what do you mean hell nah? Did you
We
have
finna
late?
be over there. Let's go. Hey, for a walk.
Would you shut up so that angel stop bitching and to think we're not going the whole way, but then we end up going the whole way?
Damn. You gonna fuck up my man's legs.
Tell me what's going on.
Hey, bro. Go.
I can see the house closed.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Where?
Yo, all I'm saying right now, we need to get some kids in there to get beat the fuck up.
If they got straps. Oh, yeah? You on that? Oh, shit.
They're on the opposite side. Let's run around with the lights off.
Come on, where does it go?
Come on, they're on the other side, bro. Come on. They're on the other side. Turn them off.
Bitch ass on it. Why you ain't blow that bitch? Why you ain't blow that bitch? You not like that? This our property, nigga.
You good? Who is this? Angel?
No. Alright, I had to pause this video real quick because this nigga was so scared, bro. He forgot who I was, bro. This nigga thought I was Angel. Let's get back to it.
You take him on. Who is this? Angel?
So this girl tweaking, bro. We out. We can't leave nobody left behind, gang.
Yeah, I'm calling Devin right now.
You tripping?
We ready to spin back on this bitch ass. He got that big ass shotgun.
I'm missing 2 people.
Alright, right here, bro, now I'm gonna have to talk because they kept telling me to fucking shut the fucking light off on the camera. Like, nigga, I can't see. So basically, the old man was in a fucking car now and he chases out, or like, he chases all the way to the main road, but then the cops came. Like, he beeped and we was like, alright, yeah, we know the cops is coming now. So, like, as soon as we try to, like, go across the street, the cops literally pull up with their lights, flashing at us. So, like, me and Trez just ran to the little bush. Then, like, the cop didn't see us at first, so he started going down. Then, as soon as he was about to, like, turn around, we was like, nah, this nigga about to see us. So, we ran. We went across the street and shit, and, like, we got away a little bit. But then the fucking cop circled back, and, yeah, we almost got caught.
What's going on, bro? You just had to run from the cops? Bro. Be on page.
shouldn't have had that bitch on right now. We just got caught.
We didn't get caught.
Almost.
Oh, we almost did. We was getting chased by the cops. Look how many of us are there? There's only 4 of us now. So.
Right behind us. But that's gonna be the end of this fucking video. We just got chased by the damn cops. Man. That shit was fucking crazy, bro. Me and bro almost got caught. We should have been recording. But I wouldn't have been able to see nothing, bro. If we had a flashlight on, we would have got caught with that bitch on, bro. We tried to get as much footage as we could, bro. Now just vibe out. We finna go back to the crib. We finna vibe out, bro. If y'all like this video, smash the like button and the subscribe foot. What's up? Ouija boy next time.
Say it again.
Ouija boy next time.
Alright.
Say that you gon' ride, but I got you with my bro. I'm telling all these lies, so how we supposed to grow?
Hit me when you need me, baby, don't you stress it. Steady popping perks, I'm steady fighting depression. I left